to talk about poems, please study Fire and Ice and Dust of Snow. Both poems are important. What is fire, what is ice, and today's real life examples also can be asked. These poems are important. Dust of Snow, how inauspicious things can change someone's mood towards life. How inauspicious things also can bring positivity in one's life is important. How nature can heal our problems. How nature can give us hopes, and how nature can tell us or make us to live this life wonderfully. So the nature changed Robert Frost poet's day because he was not happy that day. His mood was off, but the tiny particles of snow fell on his body because of the movement of crow on the hemlock tree. Crow and hemlock tree are also important. Crow plays very important role, hemlock tree plays a very important role, and same things are there in seagull's life, same things are there in Lencho's life, same things are there in Annie Frank's life and all. So parallel type questions please focus on. So that is called Dust of Snow. Inauspicious things, don't forget hemlock tree and crow, both are inauspicious things. Tiger in the zoo is also there. Tiger in the zoo, what we have to do? First thing, don't forget tiger in the zoo. Theme you go for. Theme is important. Character, tiger itself is a character. Tiger's life in confinement, tiger's life in forest. Comparison is important. Dialogue between tiger, dialogue between Amanda, dialogue between Annie Frank, dialogue between Nelson Mandela. These things are important. Dialogue writing. Theme of tiger, tiger in the zoo is very important poem. Next, if we go for we have how to tell wild animals. Please study that poem only for extract based questions. Extract based questions, when you are studying, we have to focus on each line, each word, each phrase, rhyme scheme, poetic devices, figures of speech, rhyming words, new word meanings, and all these things. Even you can make the list of all the wild animals. Poem is humorous poem, don't forget humorous poem, and the language, poetic license. Language of the poem is completely different than all ordinary languages. So focus on language also, how to tell wild animals. If you ask me which animal we have to focus, you can focus on chameleon, you can focus on hyena and crocodiles only. Sometimes tiger also, Bengal tiger we can focus. Leopard, Asian lion, and these things are not important, but Bengal tiger, chameleon and hyena and crocodile. These animals are important in that poem. Then we have the ball poem, very important poem. The boy also is a small teenage boy, age is 12 to 13. Amanda's age is also same. Annie Frank's age is also same. So all the children are there. So children we have to study very well, because dialogue writing can come, diary entry can come, speech can come, and how narrator was standing there only, poet was standing there only, but he did not console the boy. The narrator did not give another ball to that boy, because poet made him to understand the loss is inevitable, the loss is unavoidable in life, and that is the first responsibility the boy should learn. The ball poem is very important, theme of the poem is important, boy as a character is important, and loss is inevitable is important in this poem. So focus on these things also. And then we have here Amanda poem. Amanda's poem again important. Small girl, constantly controlled, constantly restricted by her mother, and how she escapes in her fantasy world is important. And one more thing, that Amanda's fantasy world, how she becomes a Rapunzel. Why does she want to become Rapunzel? Why does she want to become an orphan? Why does she want to become a mermaid? These things are important. So mermaid, orphan and Rapunzel, these things are very important while studying. These all things, go for parallel type questions, go for dialogue writing, go for speech writing, go for diary entry, and study well. Summaries are there. Themes I told you, characters I told you, parallel type don't forget, and new word meanings are also important. I tried to make this video very short so that you can watch this video and get some ideas. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe channel.